What if I told you your blood type doesn't just determine who you can donate to, it carries clues about your ancient ancestors, your natural strengths, your hidden vulnerabilities, and even how your body survives in different environments. Today, we're uncovering the incredible science and secret history behind every major blood type. Positive, the survivor's blood. O positive is the most common blood type on Earth, yet its story is anything but ordinary. Because O positive red cells lack both A and B antigens, this group gained evolutionary advantages thousands of years ago. During the hunter-gatherer era, early humans with O-type blood were better protected against severe forms of malaria. Their immune system adapted well to raw environments, high-protein diets, and unpredictable pathogens in the wild. However, the same exposed H antigen that gives these advantages also makes O types more vulnerable to infections like cholera and norovirus. Another interesting trait, O types generally have lower levels of certain clotting factors. This can protect them from deadly clots. But in serious injuries, their bleeding risk can be slightly higher. Still, because O-positive people can donate to nearly all positive blood groups, they remain the backbone of most blood banks worldwide. A-positive, the farmer's legacy. A-positive is the second most common blood type. Its A antigen allows A-positive individuals to receive blood easily from both A and O donors, making medical management much simpler. From an evolutionary view, A-type blood rose in populations that shifted from hunting to farming. Living in dense agricultural villages meant more bacteria, more close contact, and more outbreaks. The A antigen provided a stronger defensive immune response in precisely those environments. But there's a balance. While type A may fight certain infections better, it has been linked with slightly higher risks of clotting disorders and some cardiovascular conditions. Every advantage in evolution comes with a trade-off, and a positive demonstrates that perfectly. B positive, the traveler's blood. Only around 10% of the world carries B positive blood. But what makes it especially fascinating is its uneven global distribution. Large concentrations of B positive are found in parts of Asia and the Middle East, while it becomes increasingly rare across Europe and the Americas. This suggests ancient migrations, climate pressures, and selective immunity shaped the spread of this blood type. Research also shows that the B antigen alters how the immune system reacts to certain bacteria, offering extra protection in some regions while creating vulnerability in others. Some studies even suggest type B may influence how the body processes carbohydrates and fats, revealing subtle metabolic differences. AB positive, the universal receiver. AB positive is the rarest of the major positive blood types, found in less than 5% of people. Because AB positive red cells carry both A and B antigens and the Rh factor, they can receive any major blood type. A, B, AB, or O, positive or negative. This makes AB positive the universal recipient. Evolutionary research suggests AB blood is the youngest of all major types, appearing only a few thousand years ago as A and B populations merged through migration and intermarriage. Yet, having both antigens also means AB types face somewhat higher risks of clotting or vascular issues compared to O types. A rare blood group with a rare evolutionary origin. O negative, the universal donor. O negative is one of the most medically critical blood types despite being carried by less than 7% of humanity. Because O negative blood has no A, B, or Rh antigens, it can be given to anyone, making it the universal red cell donor. In emergencies where doctors have no time for blood typing, O negative can instantly save lives. Hospitals and ambulances treat it like liquid gold. But with this power comes vulnerability. O types overall are more susceptible to severe cholera and norovirus, and the lack of the Rh factor means pregnant mothers with O negative blood must be monitored carefully to prevent complications such as hemolytic disease of the newborn. Despite its rarity, O negative remains the silent guardian of global health systems, protecting people long before they even know they need it. A negative, strong immunity with a rare twist. A negative appears in less than 2% of the world's population. They can only receive blood from A negative and O negative donors, making their compatibility pool extremely limited. Historically, the A antigen provided strong protection against some bacterial infections, especially in crowded farming communities. But the absence of the Rh factor created major risks during pregnancy in ancient times. Without modern medicine, this could influence survival and population patterns. A unique mix of strong immunity, rare compatibility, and delicate reproductive challenges makes A negative one of the most intriguing blood types. B negative, a global rarity. Only about 1% of humans have B negative blood. Because it contains the B antigen but lacks the Rh factor, it's exceptionally rare. Blood banks treat B negative donations with extreme care. In many regions, a single unit can save a life when no alternative exists. Studies suggest type B evolved unevenly across populations, with higher concentrations in Asia and lower in Africa and Europe. This uneven pattern reflects ancient migration, climate adaptation, and immunity-related selection. A blood type defined not only by rarity, but by how selectively nature allowed it to spread. AB negative, the rarest of the rare. AB negative is so rare that less than 0.5% of people on Earth have it. This blood type combines both A and B antigens without the Rh factor, a genetic blend that almost never occurs. Because of this, AB negative red cells can only come from a very small group of donors, but its plasma is universal, making it incredibly valuable in emergencies. In simple terms, AB negative is the rarest genetic fingerprint in the human blood system. What's your blood type? Drop it in the comments. And if this fascinated you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious.